In Visual Paradigm, you can create class and entity with its details without the need of go through specification dialog. Once you created a class, you can directly enter its name in diagram. Pressing Alternate, Shift, and A will allows you to create new attribute to a class. You can enter the details of attribute according to UML standard. For example, enter leading -sign will set the attribute as private, +sign for public, and #sign for package visibility. Type in the name of the attribute, followed by colon and the data type. Press Enter to confirm. It will automatically create the next attribute for you. For attribute's default value, you can enter =sign followed by the value after the data type. Press Escape key to stop insert attributes. As you can see, simply define the attributes follow to UML convention will automatically parse the content into related properties of the attribute model. When the class is selected, press Alternate, Shift, and O will allows you to insert new operation. Similar to attribute, you can enter the details of operation according to UML standard. For example, visibility sign followed by operation name, parameter, and its data type, and the return type as the end. Again, all content will automatically parse into operations properties, including auto-resolve the data type reference on operations parameter and return type. Please note that you don't need to manually create getter and setter for attributes. You can simply right-click on the attribute and select Create Getter and Setter to let us generate them for you. For entity, you can press Alternate, Shift, and C to insert a new column. Having +sign in front of column's name will set it as primary key. The column can be defined as name followed by colon, then data type, and the length if needed. Similar to class attributes and operations, hitting Enter key will auto-insert the next column for you. Press Escape key to finish inserting columns. You don't need to manually create foreign key in entity. Simply establish relationship between entities will have the foreign key auto-generate for you. Hope you will found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.